This is a pen, which writes with invisible ink. How to know what's been written by it? We have used the OpenCV library of Python to track it and decode the invisible message. This is the raw or original video. Here we are writing something, but the pen is without refill, so it cannot write on its own. We will process this video to see what has been written. Then we started tracking the tip of the pen, and we have drawn a green rectangle around the tip of the pen. To track and see the path or position of the pen, we have drawn dots on the path taken by the pen. We have drawn a blue line to join all the red dots to understand what has been written. And that's how we have tracked and got to know what was written by invisible ink.